Hello YouTube, Kali here. How to say "Are you mad?" in Tagalog. Galit ka ba? 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 Are you mad? Galit ka ba? So that's how you'll say it. Galit ka ba? But of course, you don't smile when you say galit ka ba. You have to say it seriously, or to ask it seriously, right? You have to say, galit ka ba? That. And then maybe the person will say, no, hindi ako galit. Hindi ako galit. It means I'm not mad. Galit ka ba? No, hindi ako galit. Hindi ako galit. Galit ka ba? Hindi ako galit.